Deploying a project on GitLab involves configuring GitLab CI/CD pipelines to automate the deployment process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prepare your project. Ensure your project is ready for deployment and includes necessary configuration files such as Docker files or deployment scripts. Create the GitLab ci.yml file. In your project's root directory, create the GitLab ci.yml file. This YAML file defines the CI/CD pipeline and deployment stages. Example of a basic GitLab ci.yml file. Explanation. Stages defines the stages of the pipeline. Build and deploy jobs that run in respective stages. Script contains commands to build and deploy the project. Only specifies that the deployment job runs only on the master branch. Push changes to GitLab. Commit and push the GitLab ci.yml file to your GitLab repository. Monitor pipeline. Go to GitLab CI/CD pipeline section to monitor the deployment process.